Yo, welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're on week number 3 of backtesting on February 2022. So we already did a month right now. This is kind of where we're at. Here was January, great month, plus 10R. And February right now, kind of down a little bit. We're down about, I believe, maybe 1%. Let me see. I think we're down a little bit this month, 0.22%. So really nothing, down half an R. But yeah, we're gonna keep trading this, and we'll see how it goes. So news for the week: we got 8:30 news on Monday, Tuesday news, Wednesday news, Thursday no news, Friday no news. So yeah, should be a good week based on Forex Factory. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. If you guys aren't subbed yet, be sure to hit that sub button. Help me reach 1,000 subs by the end of this year. But yeah, all that aside, let's get into it. Starting on Monday here, February 14th, we had 8:30 news. That news really didn't do anything. It is still technically a data wick, so I'm gonna mark it up later. But yeah, let's hop on the 15-minute chart, and we're about to draw up our session highs and lows. London here. Let's mark it up on ES as well. Looks like we took out London low here. Had a sweep that gave this move higher. Asia low or Asia high was also taken out. See, previous day high pretty far away. Keep that in mind. On ES right here. So let's hop on the daily time frame. Don't have much session liquidity to work with really, but let me see. Is this a London low? It is not. Alright, yeah, took out London. Yeah, let's hop on the daily. Determine higher time frame narrative and bias, which is gonna be definitely bearish. Just based on this daily inversion, run lower here. I'm looking for these levels on the daily. Also, let me check the weekly. It is a new week, so have a look at the weekly since it's a Monday. Looks like we're delivering off bearish weekly gap here. Also, looking at this is a weekly bearish breaker here. So looks like we rejected that. So higher time frame narrative, I think, is definitely bearish towards these daily sell side liquidity levels, as well as this. This is actually a weekly sell side level here. So yeah, it's pretty clear that we're bearish, so not gonna be taking longs. Weekly sell side. So let's hop on 4 hour, see what it's doing. Kind of stack lows here as well. Looking at the 4 hour, tap this order block, rejected. Also delivering right now from this bearish 4 hour for value gap. But we do have this 4 hour unfilled gap here. We're gonna keep that in mind. We'll mark it up on ES as well. But yeah, high, low, high. Also got this whole area here is like a breaker. Could see rejection if we do tap into this area. on the hourly. Looks like we do have these stacked highs here. I'm gonna keep in mind. And a unfilled hourly below us. ES has what too. Looks like we did inverse this hourly though. We could potentially on the internal model see longs out of here towards this low resistance liquidity. Let's see, 15-minute. Yeah, all these stacked highs, I think they want to get ran. Generation of liquidity there. We got the 15-minute. Don't really see too much. 5-minute. We'll see if we hold this. We did an inverse. Got this 5-minute for value gap. So yeah, let's see how we open up. Also, we pull a FEB. Do want to see shorts, so pull a bearish FEB here. Looks like we are holding 0.79 retracement level. Let's see, is there any SMT? Now, no SMT, just a ton of stacked highs there. So what I want to ideally see a market open is run higher, run out this liquidity, and then get a short setup back down. So we got these accumulation lows here as well. All this is accumulation as well. Just gonna keep it in mind. Breaker. So yeah, see how we open. Also, let me mark up true day open. That was a really weak 9:30 open, damn. Oh wait, we're on the 15-minute. Alright, let's see, any equal lows, equal highs. Are these equal? Yes. Equal highs here. Let me mark up true day open. I'm gonna see where the midnight open was. Gonna help us determine where we're at in the range. Around right here. Gonna also mark it up on ES. Right there. Alright, so let's see where we're at. True day open is above. Alright, let's see how we open. Open low. Inverse is 5-minute bearish. Rejection of OTE. This is early, but I mean, this does look kind of free to the equal highs as well as all this LRL stacked highs here. as well as London high. So we might have to try this as long as there's no SMT or anything. This is kind of early. It's also a 3-minute. Close at 36. Let's see. I do like the setup though. Rejection of OTE, rejection of this 5-minute OB. Three sets of equal highs, or not 3 sets, but 3 equal highs here. Failed to take out this high. Yeah, so I think we do run higher here. London high and then get shorts after that. So this is gonna be a 3-minute inversion. It's just kind of sketched how we inverse this bearish, but then we re-inversed it. But yeah, I think we're gonna try this. London highs and then runners will do. We have an unfilled 4-hour. Also, this hourly did inverse. Let's see, is this a 1-on-1 at equal highs? Yeah. Three-minute closure. All right, we'll try it. This journal. I'll see kind of lower confidence, honestly, but that's because we kind of re-inverse the same gap like twice. Delivery from OTE and 5-minute plus order block. It's just, I think this is pretty free to the equal highs, at least for a 1-on-1. We also did inverse the hourly. Wait, this is 3-minute inversion entry. Four-hour unfilled is kind of far. London high is the draw, I think. So yeah, we'll try this though. But yeah, inversion of the 3 minute. True day open above as well. I like this delivery off OTE. Oh wait, we actually are delivering off of something. I did miss this. Off this 4 minute. Alright. Nice. True day open above as well. Could get tapped. So yeah, let's journal this. It didn't let me journal before. Let's see if it lets me. Yo, why is it bugging? Trying to rejournal it. Let's try that again, if it lets me. Also, true day open above. Delivery from 4 minute for value gap too. So yeah, we'll try it. Monday trade. Alright, 3 minute inverse, we're in there. We're just gonna break even break even at this internal and TP1 at equal highs. Alright, nice. I was a little bit sketched out by this, I'm not gonna lie, at first, because I was about to hezzy on this because of how 930 opened and kind of took out liquidity here. Looking at this wick, took out the high, but then looking at the higher time frame, we did have this LRL, the equal highs, true day open above, delivery off of OTE, delivery off the 4 minute for value gap, rejection of this 5 minute order block. So it made me more confident. Also, these equal highs looked free, but yeah, I'm gonna be real, my confidence on this was a lot lower, honestly. So yeah, 101's right here. We're gonna TP one there and then leave some runners. Let's take off 50. Let's make the stats accurate. I think it's like 52. Actually, we'll just do 50. And runners, we're going to take another partial off at London highs, session liquidity, and then if we want to run higher, we have this 4 hour unfilled for value gap. Also, accumulation highs here. Standard deviation, -1. So yeah, honestly not super bullish here. So we might just get hit break even. But I do see London highs getting hit. Might take, damn, I can't speak. Might take off a good amount of my position at London highs, like 75%. But yeah, we'll see how we wick it. Yeah, break even. All right, so TP1 break even there. Still have London highs. Still kind of bullish to London highs though. I know I'm kind of flipping my bias around, but all right, let's add this to the journal. W. TP1 break even, still a W. But yeah, I did have lower confidence in this, if I'm being real, because delivery was kind of chopped how we inversed this 5 minute, then inversed it back with a 3 minute. But what I liked was the delivery from this 4 minute fair value gap, OTE tap, and the 5 minute order block rejection, as well as these equal highs here looked free. Low resistance liquidity above, which is like these stacked highs here, and London highs session liquidity. So yeah. Alright, right now delivering off this 1 minute. I'm gonna get rid of this. Delivering off this 1 minute. Delivering off of OTE as well. I do think London high is gonna get ran, but I'm not gonna re-enter. This is also kind of high in premium, 950. But yeah, I want to short after London high gets taken. Yeah, so now I want shorts. This is a nice SMT with London high as well. Let's throw sessions here. So yeah, big SMT. I like shorts here. SMT inside. Also bad at tap. 4-hour breaker. This wick. Let's turn that off. But yeah, I do like shorts now. Accumulation here as well. See if we can get some more structure and then maybe a short. 4 minute. Still have this hourly unfilled too. But yeah, shorts look good here. If we do take another trade, I'm gonna drop risk in half, and we're only gonna risk what we made on the last trade if we get a setup. So yeah, this 4 minute looks super good right now. Yeah, let me clean up my chart a little bit because it's absolutely cooked. 4 minute. There is this right here. This got inversed. So yeah, hopefully we can just get a clean inversion of this 4 minute here. This short does look A+ towards this unfilled hourly fair value gap. Nice SMT with London high. Also, we completed this LRL run of this kind of stacked liquidity here. These highs I wanted to see get ran. Took out accumulation highs as well. SMT. Delivery from order block here. So yeah, shorts look good. I think we're good to sell off. But I do want an entry. Hopefully we don't just take all of this. Also forming low resistance liquidity. Very nicely there. pull a FEB, see where we're at. Also got these clean accumulation lows below us, but it's still in premium too. ES did tap that hourly unfilled. There is a SMT there, which is sketch, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm still bearish, so I don't really care about it. I think NQ is just lagging right now. But yeah, I honestly don't really care about that SMT. Higher time frame, super bearish towards this daily sell side below. So I still want to be shorting. Let me lock in. Alright, 10:04. It's about an inverse right now. So yeah, 4-minute inverse. Could try this on the limit. High, low, higher, high. Also ABS model here. Anticipating. Damn, I can't even say that word. Anticipating a bearish breaker there. So I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna set a limit here. Order block. Also CISD. Probably just getting off the CISD if we get the entry. But overall, this is based on a 4-minute inverse. Damn, stop loss is crazy. But yeah, this does look good. Hourly unfilled. And then accumulation lows here. As well as daily sell side runners. What time is it here? 10:08. 10 a.m. open low. This is sketched though with this SMT at the low. Honestly, kind of sketched out. But higher time frame, I think we run lower, so go with the risk on this. I'm gonna put a limit here. 4-minute tap. I mean, we did wick out of sketchy, but higher time frame, I do like this, so we'll try it. Let's make sure our 1-to-1, yeah, looks good. Accumulation lows. Trusting the external SMT here, and we're only going to be risking what we made, so I'll either be break even on the day or very rich. Okay, this looks good. I want to try this even for like back testing purposes. I want to see if this works, so I'm gonna risk 0.25, risking half of what we made. Let's see, what did we make? 117. So we're gonna risk 117. Alright, we're gonna risk exactly that. Sell limit, save in journal. I'll say pretty high confidence. Our time frame, delivery from London high SMT, delivery from 4-minute bears CSD, entry off 4-minute inversion with limit on 4-minute 4-minute bears CISD, unfilled 1 hour for value gap on NQ target. Also external draw is lower, daily sell side. SMT at low and ES tapped that 1 hour unfilled fair value gap. So yeah, there are cons here, so only risking half. Also, let me edit this. So yeah, save that. And yeah, let's see if we get an entry. Also, this is about to be delivery from OTE as well, I believe. Yeah, if we hold it. So SMT is really sketch, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm trusting the external SMT, and I think that we do want to run lower. Not really bullish here. But yeah, we'll see. So limit there. Tapped in right there. Gonna break even at this internal. So anticipating a breaker block right here. Generating LR. Gonna be say a ton of LR here. Is a SMT. This internal as well. But yeah, I'm gonna be aggressive here with break even. Just gonna break even at the next internal. So yeah, I'm risk free there. Since we're already up on the day, I'm not trying to be risking now after holding all this drawdown. So break even here at this internal we made. This does still look good to sell off. Held this 4-minute. Still looks good to sell off. Kind of some crazy drawdown, but it's alright. Higher time frame, I'm bearish. Still want to see this get ran on NQ. But yeah, now after having this displacement, I just want to see us flush through slow resistance liquidity, form this breaker. So I like being risk free here, and if we just want to chop, then I'll gladly be out of this position. So it looks like we wicked out of there. Doesn't look bearish at all. So yeah, break even trade there. Honestly, kind of a rough trade for sure. But the idea looked good. Let's see if this would have played out. Let me just mark this up. Valid trade though, it did look good. Break even. So we're still up on the day. And yeah, let's screenshot this. journal. Second trade, break even. Let's edit. I have a screenshot. But it did look good. So I'm gonna be out of this now. Not trying to hold through this. Especially at this internal. Should be break even there. So yeah, good break even. See if draw was right. Ton of LR generation. This is all gonna get ran in PM probably. Let's see, 1 PM here. Yeah, starting to run. Yep. Top the hourly unfilled gap. So yeah, draw was right, but it looks like it just took a little bit longer to get hit. Tapped into this higher 4-hour gap. Then gave the move, clearing all this low resistance liquidity. So yeah, 1 TP1 and 1 break even for today. So yeah, let's go the next day. It is also a Monday. Did have news though. Alright, let's go Tuesday. $8:30 news. Yeah, we got data low here. Oh wait, I did not skip. Alright, there we go. 8:30, still got a data high. We'll mark that up. It's not the most obvious data high, but it's still data high. So we'll mark it up. Took out the data low. It's not the most significant data high, but can still use it as a target. Wick of that 8:30 news candle. So let's hop on the 15-minute. See where we're at. Pretty high in premium. See we're rejecting this breaker. Higher time frame. So yeah, I'm still bearish here. I think this is just manipulation higher for a run lower. So we got London low. Let's see if we got any SMT. London lows right there. We'll mark that up. Let's mark up previous day's low right there. Mark that up on ES as well. But yeah, I'm still bearish here. Yeah. Also got this New York low we'll mark up. Which is a SMT. Yeah, SMT here. Pretty high in premium. I think we are due for retracement lower, at least to equilibrium. Low, high, lower, low. It's kind of breaker area here. Top on the daily. Gonna try and hurry up a little bit since I did just take about 30 minutes to do Monday. But I was taking my time. So yeah, delivery off this daily bearish gap. Still bearish towards these daily sell side levels. On the higher time frame. So I want to see these get hit this week, ideally. Run through there. And yeah, that'll be nice. Let's see, 4 hour. Yes, is tapping in 4 hour breaker. bearish breaker there. Rejecting, you can see that wick out of there. 4 hour bullish gap. I mean 4 hour bullish order block is what I meant to say. Just gonna keep that in mind. Nice tap at this order block here. These two like up close candles, as well as right here. Bearish OB tapped. Bearish 4 hour order block being rejected there. So I like shorts a lot. See a 15-minute, hourly, not much on the hourly. -15-minute. Data here is also unfilled 15-minute for value up. Not on ES though. High, low, higher, high. This area here is like a bearish breaker. We wicked out of that zone as well. So yeah, shorts look good here. Also holding this bearish fair value up on the 5-minute. So yeah, everything's lined up from the higher time frame to the lower right now for shorts. So yeah, let's hop on the 1-minute. See how market opens up. But I am gonna be bearish here. Also, let me look for any equal highs and lows, which could get in the way. We do have this kind of low resistance liquidity here. But yeah, not much I see. No equal highs or lows really. We are stacking this low resistance liquidity, trend line liquidity here. See the higher time frame. Unfilled 15. We're just gonna keep this in mind. Let's mark that up on ES as well. So yeah, let's see how we open up. Looking for shorts. Let me refresh on ES as well. I want to see 930 open up higher ideally, and then give us a short setup, something like this. Ideally, will that happen? Probably not, but yeah, it never happens exactly what you want. But yeah, still bearish. Let's see. 2-minute holding, 5-minute for value up holding, actually 5-minute inversed here, but I'm not bullish at all, so this is probably gonna stop out anyone who went long here. 5-minute inverse is just not good. Yeah, we have data highs, but I hope this stops out everyone that went long there, because it is counter bias. Also, there is a SMT at data here. So yeah, whoever took this 5-minute long, this is a very bad long because we have SMT here with that data high. So whoever took the long is about to get stopped, right? Oh, maybe not. Let's see. But yeah, I'm not in this. Yeah, so they would have gone stopped out there. Also tapped this bearish 4-hour order block. order block is right here, kind of like a key level. Not the most obvious, but it's an order block here. Rejected that. Also, I always forget, but let me mark up true day open. Before I forget, let's mark that up. Looks like true day opens lower as well, so that makes shorts look even better, in my opinion. Right there, that midnight open, true day open. Let's also mark that up on ES. Around here. True day open far below. Does look like ES might be tapping equilibrium here. So yeah, unfortunate, no entry for shorts here. No 1 minute inversions. I wonder if there was a 30-second or something. Yeah, there was a 30-second. A couple actually. Probably would have gone hit break even on these though. See, they did play out pretty well. 30-second short, 30-second short here, but I really don't trade the 30-second. It is something I'm just kind of watching though. But yeah, this was a nice 30-second inverse. SMT at the high. Also double SMT. But yeah, my lowest time frame for entry is 1 minute, so I must be sticking to that. But yeah, it is nice to see that there was a 30-second that was good. Also at a double SMT for it. So yeah, probably gonna tap that 15-minute now. Yeah, I'm not even bullish, so I'm not even thinking about longs. Let's see if we can get short here. 4 minute. 4 minute held. Let's see if we get the short. 4 minute inversion. Let's go over the confluences here. Yo, what is this chop though, Tuesday? Crazy PA here. Crazy PA. Let's see, SMT. SMT, double SMT still. More external SMT as well as the internal SMT with data. Holding this 5 minute order block here. As well as holding that 15-minute bearish breaker. Still like shorts a lot. Tapped into premium as well, rejected there. $15-minute unfilled gap. Alright, really nice here. We got good draw on liquidity. 4 hour unfilled. fair value gap there. See if we can catch this short, rebalance that. Hourly unfilled. Do have this hourly unfilled though. Equal lows right there. Let's see. This risk isn't really worth it. Break even there, so I'm gonna set a limit if we can get it. If we can leave the equal lows, which don't think we will, but got this OB. Yeah, we'll set a limit here. It's probably not gonna get filled though. If we do, it'll be a really good trade though. So yeah, this is a trade. If we open up here, no bottom wick, pull up, tap back into the 4-minute inversion, I'll take this short, break even at equal lows, TP at 4-hour unfilled gap. Looks pretty good. No SMT there. SMT at the high, double SMT. And a premium here as well. So yeah, set a limit here. Risking normal. Set a limit. Save in journal, screenshot. Have confidence if we get filled here. What we have. Equilibrium delivery from, I think it was like a 15-minute order block. Oh yeah, delivery from that 4-hour OB. Four-minute fair value gap holding as well. So yeah, this looks good if we can get entry, but yeah, I'm not willing to just take this off the rip and then break even 2 ticks away. So yeah, let's go to the journal. Delivery from 4-minute premium. I think that OTE was holding. Alright. Four-hour unfilled, fair value gap drawn, liquidity below, equal low below, limit entry on 4-minute inversion, retap if we don't take equal low before that, and also bearish OB, protecting stop loss. Also external SMT with data high above and internal SMT, double SMT there. So yeah, this looks good. Will we get our order filled? If I'm being real, probably not. Yeah, so no entry here. Took out the equal lows. That was gonna be my break even. I wanted to see us open up here with devil's mark, just open up higher, tap us in, maybe tap this OB, run lower, break even here, TP1 at 101, and then hold any runners towards the 4-hour run filled for value gap. So yeah, I'm gonna journal this, no entry. Still gonna journal it. No entry on limit before equal low taken. Save that. So yeah, we'll delete this order. And yeah. Still would have worked, but no longer really valid. Very volatile, but at least the idea here was good. We'll see here if this idea was good or not. But yeah, break even. So a good break even. Still gave about 2.6 R, but limit not hit before equal lows were taken, so made the trade not valid. We do have this hourly unfilled gap above. See, we have a SMT here. But yeah, if we zoom out a little bit and just look at this price action, I'm not gonna really force anything else unless we can make a run higher and then get more shorts. But this price action right now is just horrible, so I'm not trying to force anything in this. So yeah, up here I do like shorts though. Trading at OTE, 5-minute unfilled. AMD model. Let's see, what time is it though? 10:50 macro. Ooh. Manipulating into what though? 15-minute order block rejected. Beautiful. Alright, this short might cook. AMD here. 5-minute unfilled gap, TP1. Any equal lows? No. Super clear AMD here for a run lower. I think I'm gonna try this. Took out data now as well. Did inverse that 15 though. However, I know my chart's kind of crazy right now. My bad. I do think we could still hold this hourly for value gap as well. bearish gap here. So we manipulated higher into a 15-minute order block, into this 15-minute breaker here. This whole area has just been a magnet for price to hold and reject. But yeah, OB top, 5-minute unfilled gap, 1-minute inversion, turtle soup with these highs, had the manipulation leg right here, manipulation. It just looks too clean not to smack, so I'm gonna take this for sure. Beautiful setup, break even right here. Just such a nice setup here. And just stops at this wick. TP1, 1-on-1, and then runners. Really good risk on this setup as well. Got accumulation lows here. We're just gonna take it at the first one's right there. But yeah, risk here is too good not to try this. Also hourly, I think we're gonna hold this hourly for value gap. I don't really care about the structure shift at all. Top the OB. See where we're at in the FEB as well. This is rejecting OTE. This is full portable. Yeah, holding OTE of the range as well. So yeah, we'll journal this. 4-hour unfilled below as well. Also, is this a SMT? No. This might, no, it's not SMT, but do we have some type of SMT? No, but it's alright. Already had the manipulation leg is what I like as well. So yeah, we'll try this for sure. 11-point stop. Risk on this is super good. 4-hour unfilled. Let's try it. Place order. Sell market here. Saving journal. Super high confidence. Delivery from, like, this is a type of trade that if it loses, I straight up don't care. RR here is really good. Delivery here from a 15-minute bearish order block. Delivery from bearish OTE, 15-minute range. 5-minute unfilled. The value gap below, 4-hour unfilled. See, this is the internal. Unfilled for value gap below. External draw. Premium. Hold up. OTE of the range. OTE slash premium. Already had the manipulation leg, which was a turtle soup. It's also right now 9:50 a.m. macro time, and we also have clear higher time frame AMD model and lower time frame AMD model 2. Accumulation lows below 2. A plus. So yeah, let's try this. Right here, I'm gonna break even at this 5-minute unfilled, and we'll take a partial at that unfilled for value gap. Bang. Alright, taking partials here. 50% of my position off there. This is equilibrium, I believe. Do I want a partial there? Maybe. This is also here. Plus CISD 15-minute. Wait, yo, did I not take it? Did I not take the trade? Or it glitched out, right? Bro, what? Now I gotta redo my journal. It's annoying. Like it says not available. What you mean, bro? Oh wait, this one. What just happened? I don't want to rewrite all this. Straight up, FX replay does this sometimes. If it happens to you, just replay. It deleted my order. Deleted my order. Sometimes when you take partials, FX replay will do that. So just do it again. Bro, what is going on? Gotta delete one of these. And yeah, it looks good. Alright. Bugging out on me. So if you guys ever get that issue, that FX replay closes your trade when you take partials, just take your partial first and then move to break even. I think that's what the main issue is. But yeah, we could definitely reverse here. 5-minute unfilled for value gap was tapped, but higher time frame definitely bearish. Equilibrium, do I want to take off a little bit? We'll see how we close. I'm respecting this 1 minute nicely. See if we can close below here. Damn. Alright, this is about to run straight to TP. Still got a partial there though, so I'll take it. The screenshot. Right, that's so unlucky. This is about to run straight to TP now. Oh, maybe not. Alright, W break even. And also W stop loss at this wick, because we did hold some drawdown. But yeah, TP1 break even. Unfortunate. Let's see if we run now. Bro, horrible price action, but draw on liquidity was right. Horrible price action though. Good draw on liquidity though. 4-hour unfilled for value gap. Just yeah, absolutely insane PA here. All this chop here. But yeah, let's go to the next day. On Wednesday now. We have FOMC at 2 p.m. We'll see how AM is though. So it is meeting minutes. So we're gonna see how AM is. I know this is the different FOMC. There is a statement that there's the rule no trading AM, but we'll see how PA is here. See if we got 830 wicks. But yeah, Wednesday. Skip over there. 830. Not really a data high or anything. But let's just see how the first. Alright, open was good. Let's mark up session highs and lows. We'll still look at AM. Looking at this breaker area. Previous day's low down here. Right there. Looks like previous day high was taken. London high still left. Could see the sell side here. Alright, let's see a daily. Saw this daily gap projecting this. Not really a breaker, but it's like a key level. Let's see, is it a breaker? No SMT, so it's not a breaker block, but let's see, is it like a 4 hour? Oh, it actually is a breaker on the lower time frames here. Four-hour breaker, high, low, high, lower, low displacement. Tap back in, could see a run lower. See this order block here as well. Tap these order blocks, rejecting. I think we're gonna see a run lower here towards this sell side here, higher time frame. Let's see a daily. I'm gonna mark up this 4 hour gap just to keep it in mind. And this 4 hour OB, we'll see if we disrespect this or not. Looking at the hourly breaker. Clear sell side, inverse this hourly up here after sweep of previous day high. I think that we are good for a sell-off here. Down to at least this sell side here. So if I open, if we can make a run higher, tap into this 15-minute fair value gap, maybe even this breaker area, I like shorts. Looks pretty good if we can do that. Let's just mark up 15-minute fair value gap unfilled here. Looks like ES already tapped into it. A little fair value gap SMT there. Bearish 5-minute breaker. See how we open up. Looks like NQ's dumping. Let's check for any equal highs and lows. Do have this LR here above. Kind of accumulation here as well. But yeah, bearish. If we can make a run higher and get shorts, that's what I want to see. Might not be an entry though. And just selling off. I'm not going to fade this hourly CISD here. Close below the sell side, I'm more bearish. Still towards previous day low. I think this is the draw on liquidity. And this daily sell side below. So I'm not even thinking about longing. Five-minute holding. Type SMT here. This could be a continuation here. The way we tapped into this breaker. This does look like a really good continuation model. But we do have this 15-minute unfilled gap above. Did tap 5-minute order block as well, rejected. As well as rejected this 5-minute fair value gap. This 1 minute is tempting. For a continuation. But shorting here is kind of crazy without at least tapping into this 15-minute unfilled fair value gap. also forgot to mark up true day open. So yeah, I just can't short here. Yo, these are equal lows, bro. No way. Oh wait, no, they're not. Alright. If these were equal lows, I would have tried it, but alright, we're in a forward test. We're gonna see if this is W discipline or not. It does look good, but I just don't like how low we are. Shorting here is not A+. It's not A+ short, no matter what. It would be a nice continuation model if we did tap into this unfilled 15-minute for value gap and then get this model, but that's not the case, so I'm not gonna take it. We're gonna forward test it though. Previous day low, but yeah, I'm not in this. Yeah, W discipline, just way too low in the range to be shorting. I do like shorts if we can tap into this 15, maybe retap that CISD, get a short from there, see if that happens. Alright, tap that 15, retapped this breaker block area as well, this wick. Ton of LRL below. See if we got equal lows in this. We do not. Tap that CISD. This short does look good. 2 minutes away from 10 a.m. open now. This does look good though. Oh, this LR tapping in at 15. Tapping that hourly CISD area here, this wick order block. I like the rejection of that. Previous day's low, I think is the draw on liquidity, 4 hour here. Looks good to sell off. Held this breaker. I did think we're good to sell off. It's definitely a little bit sketch that we have 10 a.m. open so close, but I think I'm gonna try this. Good risk on this as well. So we'll try it with a little larger stop loss here, 20 points in case these equal. Equal highs. Don't like that. They are kind of far away. But yeah, I'm gonna try this. Manipulated higher into this 15. Ooh, I didn't even see this, but yeah, now I like this. Mech model here. Unfilled 15, break even. see if we can make that 101. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. Also got a nice 2-minute order block here to protect us. 2-minute. Right there. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. 15 points. Should just run down towards this 15-minute for value gap rebalance there. High up in a premium internally. LRL here looks super clean for a run lower. Wait, we'll try it. We'll see if we have SMT as well or something. And nice SMT as well. There. SMT at the high. Also pretty major SMT. This high here. Yeah, we'll try it. Also could target standard deviation, previous day low, draw on liquidity. But yeah, looks good. Let's place order. Let's journal up. Pretty high confidence. Notes, delivery from premium of internal range, rejection of 1 hour bearish breaker area, higher time frame bearish to daily sell side, 1 minute version entry, cons 11:58 a.m. and 10:58 a.m. and AM open high low close could cook me, but I like the chances we open low to the unfilled 15-minute for value gap low first. Also unfilled 15-minute for value gap below. But it looks good. Retop of hourly breaker. Oh, also SMT. Intermediate high. So, looks good. Let's try it. See if this plays out. We're gonna break even here at this 15-minute unfilled for value gap and take partials at 101, leave a runner. But it looks good. Alright, so this hit my TP1, so this would have been a TP1 break-even trade, but FX replay does not let me take a partial here when it wicks like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna break even. I'm gonna see if I could get that partial, and yeah, we'll see. If we get hit break even, then I want to make the stats accurate though, because realistically I would have taken a partial here, moved stop loss to break even, and yeah, so yeah, would have been break even, TP1 break even. So I'm gonna see if I can get my partial so that the statistics are accurate. Bro, I just want my stats to be accurate here. Let's see. Alright, 101. Oh, 40, since it did run a little bit. And yeah, we did 40% off, so it's a little bit less. And now we're gonna let it hit me break even. We're not gonna let it hit the take profit. We need it to hit break even. All right, there we go. So let me make sure the stats there around, yeah, 0.25%. So yeah, stats are accurate. Realistically here, would have taken partials at 101 here, and the rest would have gone hit break even. But yeah, good trade setup. SMT delivery off 15-minute fair value gap right here. Retap of this hourly breaker, which is like this area here. But yeah, TP1 break even. Ton of TP1 break evens recently, but it is what it is. So yeah, actually let's journal this. But yeah, we're still up 1.5 R, so we paid for last week's losses right now. But yeah, no big trades really recently other than this. Horrible screenshot, by the way, but it's alright. So let's go next day. Also, I'm gonna skip the PM here since there is FOMC. I just want to see what goes on. If it would have been better to wait for 2 PM or not. See if there's a wick. Yeah, super volatile. See if there's anything obvious. 1 minute doesn't look bad here. Target what though? I'm still bearish. Hard time frame. Tap this hourly, tap the CISD here. Tap this breaker rejected. Super bearish, hard time frame. I think we run lower. Take out liquidity here. Hard time frame SMT. Intermediate term high. Unfilled 5-minute EO. We might have to smack this I'm not gonna lie. 1 minute inverse here looks super good. Delivery from premium, SMT at the high. Let's see if that 15 minute. ES also tapped key level here. These like order blocks. Rejection off there. ES also has that 5 minute unfilled fair value gap. Yo, also, I didn't even mention this, but clear AMD model. Also beautiful tap here. Minus order block, 15 minute. Beautiful rejection of that. So we've manipulated higher SMT at the high. Tap of the order block. Rejection of this 4 hour fair value gap. I think we're ready to sell off. Also beautiful AMD here. Accumulation, manipulation. I think we were on lower here. So yeah, I'm gonna take this 1 minute for sure. And stops probably around see if we can run down a previous day's low today. But yeah, TP1's gonna be accumulation lows, which I'm gonna just take it probably right here, this wick. So yeah, we're gonna try this with half risk because we're already up on the day. Half an hour, so we're gonna try it risking these profits, and it's either gonna be break even or we're gonna be very rich. So that's what we're gonna do. Also, I like how we put in order block here. But yeah, everything here looks to be aligned for a sell-off right now. Also, this was a sweep of data high as well. Great liquidity pool to sweep. As well, ES looks correlated, inversed. ES already inversed on 1 minute. Actually, it looks like the same setup. For stop loss, pretty volatile right now. Probably just run 40-point stops here. Above this order block here, expecting this to hold down price. Not really looking for us to disrespect this if we're truly bearish. And what I'm gonna do here, I don't think I'm gonna break even at this 5 minute. Let's see, do we have any equal lows as well? Relative equal here. Or sell side here. Alright, let's try it. Omen inversion, SMT with this internal high here. Pretty significant SMT, intermediate term high here, the swing, which is also ES rejecting a breaker block. NQ is rejecting a breaker block as well on the hourly. High, low, higher high, took out liquidity, lower low displacement, close below, retap, seeing us running lower here. Previous day's low, below. So yeah, we're trying this. Stop loss above the order block. AMD model. Really good short here, in my opinion. So let's journal it. Let's enter. Place order. Gonna be risking half. 125. Yeah, we'll risk 125. Sell at market. So yeah, we're only risking the profits we made. So either gonna be break-even day or a nice winning day. So let's journal. Really high confidence. Delivery from bearish 15-minute OP. Rejected. Bearish 1 hour breaker. Rejected. 4 hour bearish for value gap. Rejected. Premium of range. AMD model. 5-minute. Obvious manipulation into breaker and order block above to run us lower to accumulation lows below. Also bearish order block 1 minute, protecting stop loss. Leverage, only risking profits from AM. Also on the field, 5-minute fair value gap below. Also previous day's low, higher time frame draw on liquidity, and daily sell side levels below obvious sell side. Daily draw is below. Alright, yeah. So A plus setup here. 5-minute unfilled. Gonna break even there. Probably. But yeah, let's see. Alright. Retest of this order block here. Still looks healthy, still looks good. Actually, this is now a CISD 1 minute. So a nice perfect tap. Actually not exactly perfect, but almost perfect tap of that CISD. Still looks good. And wicked out. Alright. Did look good though. So we only lost what we risked. So break even on the day. Alright. full stop. Did look good though. Yeah, it's not really tripping. True day open top. Yeah, it looks like just wrong draw. So yeah, unfortunate, but really good setup. Good loss here for sure. And really good risk management. Only risked what we made in AM session, so break even on the day. So yeah, we'll go next day. Thursday now. No news. And then Friday, no news. So let's skip over there. Our next day, Thursday 17th. Let's hop on the 15-minute. Markup session highs and lows, determine bias. Looks like we left London high on yes as well. Right there. Asia high SMT here. As well as SMT with Asia at the low. Previous day low right there. Let's hop on the daily. Still leaning more bearish for sure. I want to see this daily sell side get swept. Holding this daily gap still. See the 4 hour. Previous day low, looks like the drawn liquidity right now. Pretty clear. Also this nice SMT at this high, which was also rejecting this breaker block here. Still rejecting that breaker on the 4 hour. So yeah, markup. So order block here, just gonna keep it in mind. See the hourly. Looks like draw still lower. We do have some kind of low resistance liquidity here, kind of stacked highs, but we are holding this bearish hourly gap. We are also inside of a bigger one as well, but leaning more bearish here. Breaker block was already retested as well. So yeah, I do want to still see shorts, even though we have this SMT. Don't really care about it. I still want to see Asia low here. Get ran on NQ. To 5 minute. Nice rejection on ES, 5 minute order block. there. Other than that, I mean, don't see too much. But let's see how we open up here. Let's also see, do we have any obvious equal highs, equal lows? We do not. Alright, weird open, really bad open, very choppy. February 17th, 2022. G20 meetings, could be why, but unemployment claims is an orange folder. What? Since when is orange folder? Unemployment claims. I'm still counting this as data high. So we could see a run of that. I'm gonna keep it in mind. Taken on yes though. So yeah, not too worried about that. But let's mark a true day open as well. That midnight open was right here. Also, let's pull a FEB here. See where we're at. Equilibrium was hit. Respecting bearish OTE. Still like shorts for sure. OTE respected. Let's see if we can get a run higher. Then maybe some shorts. Alright, this 1 minute looks good. SMT at the high. Kind of crazy PA though, but 3 drive as well. Or actually 4 drive. Took liquidity like 4 times. SMT. Pretty decent SMT as well. Low resistance liquidity. Moment inversion. I think we've run down to Asia on NQ as well. This PA is crazy though, I'm not gonna lie. But the risk here is pretty good. Respecting OTE as well. But yeah, we'll try this. TDO respected, breaker respected. 15-minute for value app respected. This looks good for a run lower. Don't think this Asia low SMT is holding here. But yeah, looks good here for at least a 101. We'll try it. So, price action is kind of crazy, but we'll see. We'll give it one shot. We'll put that in the cons right now. recovery from 15-minute bearish breaker. Bearish for value gap from bearish OTE of the range. Premium of the range. Choppy ass PA. Asia low SMT below, but I don't really care about it because higher time frame narrative is bearish and euro is lower to previous day's low and daily sell side liquidity. Premium of range, 1 minute inversion. Color out below. Good momentum as well. So yeah, we'll try this. Thursday, one more day. But yeah, I do have a little looser of a stop here just in case we get chopped up. But yeah, my break even is going to be right here. There's a SMT at the low, but still think we run lower. Alright, there we go. Did we hit a 101? Chill, bro. If we don't hit 101 right now, this is so cooked. It literally missed it by a tick. There we go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's take 50 off there. Break even. Asia low was taken. Negative 0.27 retracement being hit right now. So did take out Asia low. I'm still bearish to previous day's low here. Let's see what time it is. Almost macro. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold this runner and if ES takes out previous day's low, I'm gonna close out a good amount of my position, maybe even all of it. Alright, so ES take out previous day's low right there. And let's see, what would the RR here be? I closed on this 300 already. 600, about 2R. Close out about like 80 here. Secure like 2R. At the SMT and 2R secured, got a couple dollars running, 60 bucks. Take this down to, this higher time frame I'm like super bearish. So let's see if NQ takes out previous day's low. I'm gonna take some more partials. Alright, right there. Take off another 50. Trailing stop now. See, what do we secure on that? Almost 700. Got about $20 running. Not a lot. But I always like to leave runners if my bias allows for it. Low runner here. Trailing to this high. Closing below previous day's low. Just gonna hold this towards this 4-hour sell side here. But yeah, closed out most of my position already. Let's see what's ES doing. 4-hour sell side. It's already ran on the 6. Low, high, breaker area here. Gonna run stop above this order block right here. ES is tapping this 4-hour order block, so we could definitely react here. Yo, what is this? What's this wick? Alright, tapping that order block. Alright, stop down profit. So yeah, trade here was like on the 6 around. Closed out like most here. The runner was honestly, probably should just close out most if we're being real. But yeah, banger of a trade. Trade open tapped as well. We're gonna add that to the journal. Let's journal that John. TDO holding. 4-drive pattern, which is basically when a high takes out another high a few times. So yeah, great trade there. Putting us up on the month, I believe now, finally. But yeah, we still got Friday, so we'll see if we can catch anything else. And yeah. Win rate's going up, almost at 70 now. And yeah, we're up a little bit on the month now after this banger week. So yeah, we're gonna go into Friday. 1R, up about 3R this week. Yeah, a little bit over that. But yeah, still got one more day. So we're gonna get in Friday here. This is definitely a longer back testing session, but it is what it is. Alright, 10 a.m. I don't know why this is an orange folder. I feel like it's normally red. existing home sales. I swear that's always red. G20 meetings all day. Don't even know what that is. Alright, let's do Friday. Next day open here. February 18th. We're gonna keep an eye on this. I feel like this is normally a red folder. Let's hop on that 15-minute time frame. Could be a potential higher time frame AMD. So we're gonna keep that in mind. SMT at these lows. Previous day's low. Previous day's low is already taken. SMT Asia low. This yellow looks way nicer. We'll run that one. But yeah, it looks like we still have London high above right there. And we have Asia high. Previous day high is really far away. Got these like stacked session highs as well up here. Asia low. Still got accumulation here. Low resistance liquidity. Mark this up on ES as well. This isn't really a breaker here. Maybe on the lower time frame. High, low, high, low, high, lower, low, high, low, high, lower, low, breaker, key level. Mark this up. Kind of key level there. hop on the daily. I don't even know why I marked all these up so far away, but it's chill. Actually, I'm not even gonna mark these up so far away. Alright, let's hop on the daily. Damn, we've been on this for 2 hours. Alright, still holding this daily bearish fair value gap. Drawing liquidity right now looks pretty clear that we want to run lower. Super bearish towards this daily sell side. Drawing liquidity right now looks to be really clear. Right there. Then we have these levels. I believe it's weekly sell side. Weekly sell side. Looks like to be the draw higher time frame, expecting this bearish weekly gap as well. This here is SMT, which gave this move, meaning that this right here is a bearish breaker. What I see here, high, low, higher high, which is the SMT, lower low displacement. If we tap into the zone, could see a rejection of this higher time frame. It's like we close below this here. We also have this 4 hour CISD that we've been holding here, holding down price. You can see how we're holding down price with this order block that we closed below on the 4 hour. See, we closed here. CISD is basically just a close below an order block, so we're really holding down price here at that CISD. I think it could deliver us lower. See the hourly. Looks like we inverse this hourly as well. Alright, so what I want to see right now is a run higher into this area for shorts. And I'll take shorts down to here. Not really any SMT here, which is kind of rough. I mean, if we can sweep out all this at open and then get shorts, I mean, that would be nice if it was like a big wick here. But I want to see this breaker hold, so. But I don't like this LR shorting with this above, so ideally I want to sweep of that too. Sweep Asia and London too would be nice for shorts. But yeah, this could also be an AMD right now. Had this SMT at Asia. Could definitely run higher towards this low resistance liquidity. Accumulation highs here, London high. But yeah, SMT could deliver us higher there at open. See how we hold this gap. So see how we open up here, 9:30. My bad, I was just taking my time with analysis. I know this is definitely a longer video, but yeah. Alright, 15-minute here. Left was not tapped. Rejection of this 5-minute order block. Five-minute OB rejected. No SMT. Let's see, do we have any? We do have equal lows. No way. Or if these are like triple equal lows, I might have to full port it. Very nice. Those honestly look pretty free. Let's see if we can get some inversion here. Damn, big ass 4-minute. Don't like that. Pre-fire would be right here, but I'm straight. Yeah, damn. Pre-fire would have been this 1-minute inversion. But yeah, I don't break my rules, so I'm not gonna take that. Then we're probably just gonna run to Asia. Yeah, Asia. And then hopefully we don't run to that daily sell side. Alright, tapping into this breaker block here. High, low, higher high, took out liquidity, rejected an order block on the 5-minute. Lower low displacement, tapping into these two, or this one order block here. Actually, there's two right here, but see that rejection off there? Tells me we could want to make a run lower. I'm low-key mad that, see, I'm not even mad, but there was no entry on the short. But yo, this pre-fire, super free. To the equal lows and then Asia low. Probably gonna run lower too since this breaker is respected. About to be an SMT at the high. Chill. Yeah, wait, hold up. Actually, no, I would never take this. Super low in discount. I'm not even gonna, like, I'm not replaying this or nothing. I would never take this short, this 1-minute inversion. This is not a good short. Not good. It's probably gonna deliver, but if this lost, it would not be a good loss. Super low in discount. Already took out Asia low. But yeah, hopefully we don't take out that daily sell side. Let's see if we can make like a 15-minute tap into there. Let's see, when does this open? 10 a.m. Not even bullish, I'm still bearish here. Alright, SMT right now. SMT here. Our shorts look good. Now we're back up in premium. Damn, this LRL is kind of bugging me out. Perfect rejection off of OTE here. SMT at OTE in a premium. Unfilled 5 minute. Yeah, unfilled 5 minute here as well. Tiny one. No, never mind. I'm tripping. Looks like no entry here. Unfortunate. It's 5 minute cook. Do I like it? Not really. It's just so low. If we can get a 1 minute. Do I want to smack it? 10-10. Does look good. It's just big ass TJR ass stop loss. Bruh. TJR ass stop loss here. I'll probably just stop above order block here. It's just so discounted though. Nice 3 drive. See how 10 a.m. open. If 10 a.m. had to open high, low, close. A.m. open low. So I don't like this short because we have this unfilled 5 minute here that's about to get made on this closure. So what I want to see this 5 minute inverse, have us run higher, tap into this 5 minute unfilled for value gap, and then get a 1 minute or like a lower time frame inverse for short down to this daily sell side. So yeah, that's what I want to see right now. So let's see if we can get that. Also, if that would be a SMT, that would be really good. Alright, perfect tap there. 5 minute inverse. Alright, exactly what I wanted to see. Let's see if we can get short. Alright, I'm gonna take this 1 minute if we can get it. Equal lows now too. See, entry on this 5 minute. This would just be. Wait, hold up. Yeah, see, if I took this 5 minute, the TJRS stop loss, I think it would have stopped me out. Actually, no, it wouldn't have, but yeah, I'd rather wait on this 1 minute. Okay, now we retrace higher into the 5 minute. Rejected that. 1 minute inverse now is confirmation that we want to run lower. Also, do we have a SMT here? Mid SMT, but we do have external SMT here. 3 drive OB. Is a little bit more. It's definitely a continuation model, but definitely looks good. Rejected OTE once again there. Almost OTE, but 0.62 retracement. Premium rejected. See the 15 5 minute. I really like how this 5 minute was rejected like this. See, is this 2 minute battle open? 18. 20. I'm not taking this because the equal lows are so close. But I might set a limit. Risk here, RR is really good. Oh, I don't like that volume imbalance. But a good continuation model here. Turtle soup with these highs. Turtle soup, 1 minute inversion. Let's see, 2 minute. Yeah, this is a 2 minute inversion. Closes at 20. So probably no entry here. Yeah, no entry, equal lows taken. And then this 2 minute gap is holding. 22. Don't even like this now. Closure's cooked. I mean, I guess internals here. What time is it? 38. Yeah, I guess internal is here. Let's see CE of this 5 minute wick would be protected. See its range. It's just super discounted is the thing. But we did have the retrace. Yeah, no entry. Alright. So only entry here was this 5 minute, but I didn't want the TJR as stop loss, which low-key gave a 101. Yeah, so probably that was the only opportunity. I don't even like 5 minute inverses personally, but it looks like it did work here. And this daily sell side. But yeah, it looks like nothing else for me. And unfortunately, it looks like we missed that. Yeah, it looks like we missed that 5 minute, which is alright. But yeah, I don't know, I just didn't like how we left behind an unfilled 5 minute. So I didn't really like it. This 5 minute getting left behind was really sketchy, so that's the reason I didn't take the short. Because I kind of knew that this would get traded back to like this, and you can see would have held a ton of drawdown, could have potentially wicked out. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, overall W week up a good amount. Let's actually calculate it. Banger week actually, damn. Hold up. Let's calculate this, John. Let's calculate calculate how many R's we made this week. I think about 3R. We have the 117 plus 178 plus break even. Gonna count that as 0. I'm doing the math right now, by the way. 117 plus 178 plus 673 is about band on the week, which divide that by 250 is 3.8R on the week. Banger week. We paid for last week's losing week of 1.5R. So yeah, just paid for this losing week here. This was like a break-even week, so overall a tough month. Let's go to the analytics though. Win rate's sitting around almost 70%. Account balance, healthy equity curve. Average RR 2.5, max RR 5, ideal RR is 11, max ideal 72. That's cap. Winners 15, losers 7. You can see our RR here is nice. Worst loss is 0.5%, and our best win is double that, but average win is a little bit larger than average loss. Positive RR there. Max winning streak, 5 wins in a row. Max losses 2. Average consecutive wins 3. That's actually a pretty good stat. And yeah, let's look at this. Looking at the month so far, we're up about, let's see, what is this? How many R's? 1.75. We're up 3.5R this month so far. Last month was 5.47 times 2. Last month was almost 11R. Oh yo, I just realized my thing was big as. But yeah. Did low-key miss that 5-minute inversion on Friday. Could have banked a little bit more, but shoulda, woulda, coulda. But yeah, most importantly, didn't take any L's this week. Actually, we did take an L here, but we managed risk very well. We took a dub in AM, so we only risked what we made in AM and PM on an A+ setup. So a break-even day there. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys aren't subscribed, hit that sub button. Help me reach my goal, 1,000 subs by December, end of the year. Also, if you guys made it till the end, comment turtle soup. If you made it all the way till the end, I want to see how many of you guys made it. This is definitely a long video, but thank you for watching. Till next time, peace.